What's up, pigeons? So we just got done with our Rochester toss. This is our last week of any road training, distance wise. Might do a little 25-30 miles here and there in between races, but this is the team that is left. We end up with 29 chip birds that's been through all the road tosses and all the training. So out of the 29, 5 of them are the part of the one loft in here. That remains 24 left. So these are the birds that has made the 2023 team. We are 1 week away from our first race, which is going to be 100 miles with the Twin Cities Concourse. Give you a little close up on all the birds. I think they look pretty sharp. All these guys has earned a spot on the team. We did end up losing quite a bit, but it's alright. Less feed and only the best sticks around. Rochester toss was kind of the last big toss for them. Just kind of weed out any of the last ones that we lost, maybe 2 on the Rochester toss. But these are the guy that remains. That guy's, he clocked in first from the Rochester. But this is the team. We're gonna rest them up, get them all prep up for our first race. I'm gonna be sending everybody. And then, like I said, the first 5 that clocked back in the Rochester one, they're gonna be our 5 that is gonna be sent to the classic race. Some of the ones I can remember is, this is part of them. This is a silver one. I think his younger sibling actually clocked in like 4th too, so that pairing seems to be working pretty good. 135.59, I said that was gonna be one of my pick birds. He actually clocked in pretty bad, but his nestmate actually clocked in pretty good. His brother, which is this guy, 135.60. This was my pick bird, 135.59. He came in like 20th, but his brother did good. I think this guy came in either 3rd or 4th. I'll have to look at the sheet again. And I'm trying to see who the other person is, or who the other bird is. I actually think one of the one loft birds actually clocked in pretty good. He might have came in 4th, Zapdos, this guy. But can't fly him. Part of the classic, because in my loft I'm kind of doing a little separate mini race with him. So I have to go down the charts and just grab the next guy. I'll look at the sheet quick and then I'll update the other guys.